we like to reduce friction, whether that's on your car to reduce scratching or friction within your process. Is dirty towel organization an issue for you? I know it was for me. And when I would get done detailing, I would just throw my stuff onto my workbench or wherever, and then it would build up and it would become a problem. Adams Polishes has a solution for that. This is the Adams Polishes detailing towel cart. Now this looks simple, but it's actually a pretty nice towel organization cart for your garage or even inside your house. Now, 3 towel bins here, but it's on a rolling cart that has locking casters, so it makes it really nice. Also on the side, you have 2 hooks here. So when you're done using your drying towel, like your Ultra Plus drying towel, you can hang it on the cart here to dry, so you don't throw it into the bins, becomes musty, smells terrible. You can let them dry out on the side. Now, the reason why we designed this to have 3 different bins is to be able to organize the different towels you use for different jobs and detailing. You don't really want to mix your ceramic removal towels with your drying towels because the ceramic product inside of that can get into your drying towel, making it harder to absorb water as you're drying your car. So with the 3 bins, you can really organize them. So if you have your ceramic coating removal towels like these, you can take these and throw them into 1 bin. If you have your drying towels that are dirty, you can throw them in another bin. And then I like to use the 3rd bin for kind of your general stuff, things you use like spray and wipe, like your detail spray, or interior towels, like your edgeless utility towels would go into the 3rd bin. Now, another thing I like about this cart is this top shelf, okay? So you can have your towel cleaning products organized up onto the top shelf like this. So you can always spray your towels down before you take them and put them into your washer. But also this top shelf lifts up, so it makes access to your bins much easier, so you can take them out, walk it into your laundry room, take your towels out, put them in the wash and wash them. You can also place a standard 5-gallon bucket down onto the cart like so. And the reason why I like to do that is I can fill that with hot water, or fill it halfway with hot water, put some of your towel and pad Revitalizer into that, put your towels in to let them soak. Then when they're done soaking for a couple hours, take them in, wash them, and they're gonna be almost back to new. Adams Polishes detailing towel cart is made of metal, so it's very sturdy, and the fact you can roll it around, you can really have it anywhere in your garage or home to be able to organize your dirty towels. At Adams Polishes, we like to say we like to reduce friction, whether that's on your car to reduce scratching or friction within your process. So having a tool like this that keeps your towels organized and doesn't mix the formulas into the towels together is extremely important. And this organization tool really reduces friction, and I know you're gonna love it.